have Adam, an admission seeker, trying to prepare for his exams, specifically biology, and he was making use of essential biology. Now, towards the end of his preparation, he decided to attend a tutorial center. Now, at the tutorial center, he did his first mock and he saw a lot of questions that he believed were advanced, but then he had a friend that showed him in modern biology textbook where those questions were actually extracted from, and some of the questions were actually extracted from college biology too. In this video, I'll be listing biology textbooks that you should use so that your case will not be like that of Adam. Hi, my name is Pelumi, a second year medical student of the University of Ibadan. I post educational content, self-development content that I believe that I'll be able to use generally as a student. So if you're up for that, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, most admission seekers always tend to have is which textbook should I use, which textbook should I make use of, which textbook actually contains the right contents that is required for me to actually know before I go for any exam. And most of them tend to use the wrong set of textbook to prepare for the exam. So I'll be listing out 3 textbooks that you should make use of when you're preparing for any biology exams. And some prefer some textbooks than the other, which one I'm recommending more than one. So anyone that actually suits you, you can just pick it up. But then I will always advise you not to just stick to just a single textbook. Try to combine like 2 textbooks together. Now, some of these textbooks are actually good for certain topics, while others are actually due for another a separate topic. Now, the first textbook that you should make use of when you're preparing for Post UTME or UTME exam is modern biology. Now, in modern biology, they really explain the classification of living things thoroughly, and the ecology part too was very well detailed. And modern biology is more like a little bit between advanced and not so advanced level. So if you're preparing for any exams, Post UTME or UTME exam at all, or even WASSCE, try to make sure that you make use of what? Modern biology. The thing that you actually make use of is essential biology. Now, essential biology is meant for students that don't really want to know too much, and if you are preparing for like WASSCE, you can still use essential biology for some areas like all these growth aspects, reproductive system parts, and reproductive system, respiratory system, excretory system. You can use essential biology for those areas. But then I won't advise you to actually make use of essential biology for classification of living things, because they just more like summarized the classification of living things down. They didn't really dive properly into the classification of living things. And then some like the part about ecology too, they didn't really dive into it properly. So essential biology is basically for you to just do like a revision. Probably after studying your modern biology, then you can just go through your essential biology just to have like a broad overview of the entire topic. Now, the third textbook that you should actually make use of is college biology. Now, college biology is very, very big. Now, I'm not saying the college biology, because we have college physics, we have college chemistry. Now, there is college biology. What's the name of the man that made Udodo? Yeah, it's Udodo. It's college biology by Udodo. Now, the textbook is very bulky, so I won't really advise you to actually make use of that textbook when your exam is like probably in the next 3 weeks. You can probably make use of the textbook when you've started your preparation for that exam very, very early. So let's say maybe you still have like probably like 3 months to your exam period, then you can make use of video domain. Or you can make use of video domain when you were just trying to just touch some areas that you already have just some surface knowledge about, and you want to know more, you want to know those topics deeply. You make use of video domain. Now, those are the 3 textbooks that you should actually make use of when you're preparing for any exam, UTME, Post UTME, or your WASSCE. Now, I want to make mention of another textbook that most people don't really know its usefulness, which is exam focused biology. Now, exam focused biology is very small, but then it is very, very detailed. I only had the opportunity to actually go through the textbooks when I was trying to study this ecology part, and the way they actually explained it, the way they actually summarized and then explained, that the their summary and their explanation is not like they entirely summarize the entire stuff. Like they want like balance between explanation and then summary. So, and it has a lot of advanced stuff too. Like this question in biology, where they talk about something about mycelium, sori, inducium, the textbook actually contains all those too. And then you have questions at the end of each topics that you can actually make use of, just to test yourself before you actually, so you know whether, okay, I fully understand this topic or not. Now that textbook you actually make use of too is Lamlat biology. Even though Lamlat biology is not that detailed, it still has a lot of questions that you can actually make use of. Now most of these questions are extracted from UTME and then some post UTME as well too. So those are the textbooks I would recommend that you actually make use of when you are preparing for your post UTME or UTME for biology specifically. That's all, guys. So I'll make another video on textbooks that you should actually make use of when you're preparing for chemistry exams. So see you guys in my next video. And if you like this video, kindly hit the like button. And if you know anybody that is in need of this video, kindly share with them so that it will reach more people and to be able to actually help them. See you guys in my next video.